This is a homemade wood splitter I picked up. I only bought it because I wanted the motor off of it. It's a Kohler twin cylinder. Came out of a Cub Cadet. I think it's 18 or 20 horse. I did get it running. It seems to run pretty good. It's pretty loud because there's no muffler on it, just has a pipe. But the wood splitter is very heavy built. See, the beam is 2 I-beams welded together. It's got a hitch on the back. You could probably pull like a wood trailer behind you. And then there's the other hitch up here. This thing has a 35-inch. You can split up to 35-inch logs. This cylinder leaks oil pretty good. I did get it running, ran it back and forth. I split up some wood there. Those I actually started by putting 2 of them on here and split them. This is a gas tank for it. You can see it there. Could be cleaned out. This is the hydraulic valve. You can see you can run 2 circuits. This wiring is for the alternator on the motor. It's only got one hooked up right now for the cylinder. You could add another cylinder, like if you wanted to add a load lift or something like that. Hoist, hydraulic. The pump is belt driven. And this pump's pulley is bigger than that one, so it's set up to run a little bit slower than the engine RPM. This is the pump. The plastic Lovejoy coupler in the middle is wore out. This big tank is a hydraulic reservoir. You see how big that is. That's where you fill it. And, yeah, I don't need this wood splitter, so I'll be getting rid of this, but you can see that's a pretty big cylinder, but it would need to be new seals, or if you had a different cylinder. If you still wanted 35-inch logs for like an outdoor wood boiler, you'd have to get a pretty big cylinder to run it. And then either a different engine you put on, or convert it to a PTO drive off a tractor, or just hydraulics off a tractor. But you can see the axle under there. Yeah, it's definitely heavy built. But I'm not going to start it up because as soon as you do, she starts pumping oil out. But I've got the oil pan under there just in time to catch most of it. But thanks for looking.